G'day, it's Colin from Wurth. And it's June, and at Wurth Australia, that means we've got our end of financial year tax time tool sales. Now, if you've got a Wurth sales rep, the eShop or the app, you can go in and you can see what's on special for the month, what tools you can get. Now today I've got our 1/2-inch impact driver here. So let's go and have a look at it, and then we'll have a play, and then I've got some exciting news for you. So here is the Wurth 1/2-inch impact wrench. The first thing you'll notice about it is how light it is. Now it has 569 Newton meters of release torque. So that's to undo those stubborn bolts. Forward and reverse motion. Also on the back we've got 4 speed settings or torque settings. Has a nice plastic grip and trigger, so it's comfortable to use single hand operation. So now let's go have a play. We'll pull a wheel off a car and see how it works. So let's recap. What I've got here is a 1/2-inch impact wrench. You'll notice it's got this padded handle, which makes it comfortable and non-slip. Also, easy forward and reverse, and we've got 4 speed settings on the back. Now it has the release torque of 569 Newton meters. But to add to that, what they've allowed me to do is go out in the warehouse and pick something to go with it as a freebie. And what I've come up with is the Wurth 3-piece wheel impact sockets. So these are for removing your wheels. Now there's 3 sizes. There's a 17mm, a 19mm and a 21mm. And that'll cover most vehicles that you want to take the wheels off. But what I love about this set of impact sockets is there's a plastic sleeve to protect those painted and aluminium surfaces. But if I remove that sleeve, you can see here there's a green ring on this one, and that ring supports the socket and stops it from cracking. So you get a lot longer life out of them. Now, if you want to purchase the impact wrench with the free sockets, go to the Wurth eShop or app, create a cart, put the impact wrench into the cart, then go to the checkout, and you'll be asked for a promotional code. And that promotional code is G'day Socket. Once you put that in, your order will go out and you'll receive your impact wrench and your socket. So this offer is only available from now until midnight, the 7th of June. Now, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Don't forget to like our page. And this impact wrench is ready for work.